Hey guys, Andre from Bifuteki here with another resolution for you Mac streamers. Well, I've pretty much solved a dilemma for the time being until OBS has actually implemented this. Well, or implement this. Basically, I've been seeing this a lot. I've gotten a couple emails about it today about how can I set up, you know, a Twitch alert or a follower notification for my stream. So I've basically found a solution that I've been using for some time now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share that with you guys. First things first, you would basically open up your web browser. I would suggest Google Chrome because of the simple fact that it just works so much better on a Mac than anything else. Then what we're going to do is you're going to basically go to your notification your notification site that you'd like to use. I always suggest NightDev. NightDev has something that's pretty much simple and customizable and things like that. So you could basically just go through here, you would click for other software, you hit next, and basically you just fill out all this information. If you want to use one of his, you could. If you want to use a stack, you could do that. If you want to do this, you could do that. But if you want to create your own in Photoshop, just make sure that you leave space either left, centered, or right, and you'll be all right. You can even put a sound in if you want, and things like that. I've already created one ahead of time of this demo because I've actually had one for my streams previously. So what I'm gonna do is I am basically going to add in the chroma part, and that's pretty much it. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna want to resize this window so that this way it just shows just this. Okay, you don't want it to be full size because if you make it full size, it's going to do the whole thing. In fact, that you can make it the whole thing. You just gotta make sure you click on the clear background, which I'm going to show to you in CamTwist. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new button. We're gonna edit the button. Just hit secondary click and edit new button, and which is basically two fingers if you have it enabled. Desktop plus picture in picture. Okay, we're gonna go to confined to a window. We're gonna pick the follower alert. Okay, then we're gonna just select only the green area. So we're gonna take this bar, bring it on down. We're gonna bring it down to here, and then that's that. Now chroma keying on this is so much better. Don't forget to click that clear background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click the chroma key, click the chroma key color, click the magnifying glass, and then we're going to pick any spot on there. Now if you notice it has like that nice little green bar here, what I like to do is I like to move this around a little and bring it down to like right there. And what you could do is you could do this and it'll basically play it. So basically if you just mess around with it, you'll be able to find it. You'll be fine. So now at this point we can scale it however size we want. We want it like about that big because yeah, it's just gonna go somewhere in like a corner or something. Depending on what game it is, I like to put it in certain spots, so I'll probably like put it like right here, like right in the middle of the screen. That's not the middle. Let's find out where it is again. Okay, that's about the middle. But once we do that, we're all set. So if I was to like, let's say, because you know I only have the video. Hold on, let's edit this because this is a video for a trailer for a tournament that I'm doing. But if I wanted to just go ahead and put that on top, if I go into OBS, you can see the video playing, and then while that video is playing, if I get a follower, shows up. As you can see, I do have to touch the the little settings up a little bit. So this way, just push the threshold a little bit more.
You are defeated.
Yeah, right there is perfect. Just put all the way up to 0.5 and I'm set. Mine just has a little different color, but you could just sit there and just mess around with it for a little bit. So as you can see, it plays it in a perfect spot.
You are defeated.
Not for this video, but as you can see, it plays it and it's perfectly fine. Either way, hopefully this has been helpful for you. If so, just leave a comment in there if you have any problems or any other questions. Just go ahead and leave it in the comments if you need to. You can always email me. It's bifuplease, BIFUPLZ, at bifuteki.com. That's BIFUTEKI.com. I'm always available to answer questions. If you can't get me there, or you just need immediate response, just go ahead and tweet us. It's at Bifuteki. That's Bifuteki. So, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching.